Hi, so if you're watching this video, in this video I will show you exactly how to make all the way from $300 to $500 every single day with affiliate marketing. Now, let me show you first this. You see, people are buying products every single day. Now, people have some kind of excuses. They say that, oh, people don't have money or people are not spending money online, which is not true. You see, people are buying stuff they want every single day. They're spending money on the stuff they need or don't need every single day. So you, as an affiliate, you can take advantage of this. How? You see, the first thing you have to understand is that what is your niche, what is your market, right? Once you understand this, you can do quite a bit of research to know what do they want, what are their problems, what are their pain points, right? What they are looking for, and you can offer it to them. That's what I call having the right message to market match, right? So if you have that, then you can easily know what your audience will most likely respond to and at the end buy. So it's really important to understand this. Now, as you can see here, let me show you why and how you can make $500 or even $1,000 per day as an affiliate promoting other people's product. You see over here, we are in Ads Manager on Facebook. Today's date is over here, 2022 February 26th, and you see we have audiences here. So we can create new audiences. You can use saved audiences of people, right? We can create custom audiences, lookalike audiences, right? All these many options. But first of all, you have to understand this. Let me show you. Locations, right? If you know that people have credit cards or debit cards, and those people most live in what? New Zealand, US, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, right? All these top tier countries, right? So you can target exact audiences of those people. Pay attention, living in those countries without you having to be there, right? So it's really cool. If you're in India, if you're in Pakistan, if you're in Australia, if you're in, let's say, Nepal or Thailand or I don't know, South Africa, right? You can promote different products without you having to physically have any company or organization over there, right? You can do it from the comfort of your hotel room, of your home, of your I don't know, bedroom, right? So let me show you over here. You have many options to target people by locations, right? Now I would suggest you to target people living in these locations, because you could target tourists from Pakistan or India who have recently been in Canada, right? So it would not match. So I suggest you target people who are living in this location, right? Who are permanent residents is in that country. Another thing to pay attention is age. Why? Because if you're promoting a $2,000 course or a $100 weight loss supplement to a girl who is 18 years old, most likely she won't have a credit card, debit card, and she won't basically purchase the product, right? So you have to understand what is the age group, right? And then of course the gender. If you're promoting a relationship product about breakup or divorce to males, right? It won't make sense in some cases, because if the product is geared toward women, right, who are just about to break up or divorce or after divorce, right, it won't make sense to males. So you're wasting time and again money, right? It doesn't make sense. So you have to understand who is your market, right? Sometimes it takes time to understand this, but if you have someone to mentor you, to coach you through, it's much more easier, believe me, to have someone to show you the way, so you can avoid those avoidable mistakes, like I like to call it, right? Now you have also detailed targeting. Now what is that? Detailed targeting is you can target people based on what kind of magazines they're reading, what kind of books they're reading, who they are following, what kind of influencers they are following in the marketplace, what kind of movies they are watching. For example, in a relationship space, in divorce, breakup space, right? Women watching romantic comedies, novels, reading novels, right? Stuff like that. Romantic movies, right? On Netflix. All of this makes a huge possibility of that person buying a product from you than if they are in the, let's say, automotive space or tech space, right? It's totally opposite marketplace. So it would not make any sense at all. And then you can see you can choose by language, right? It would not make sense to promote products to the people living in, let's say, in China, speaking Chinese, but your product is only English, right? It's again waste of money, waste of time, waste of energy, right? So you need to understand who is your marketplace, right? If they're living in United States, they are speaking English, then it's cool. But they're in the United States speaking Spanish, and your product is only English for only English-speaking people, right? Audiences. Then again, you're wasting time and money, right? So you have to understand all these things. And again, like I say, you need to have mentor. You need to have someone to show the way, right? Only watching a course, yes, it can help, but the real thing is when you're putting things in action, when you're actually getting something done, right? I don't think that you have the people who want to be successful. They don't have time to sit at home watching 8 weeks long course when guru is showing you maybe outdated methods, what it was working 2-3 years ago, right, on Facebook, and again you find out that it's not really working like they claim to be working, right? So you need to have someone to show the ropes, and sometimes it's great to invest some money, right? Because let's be honest, if you want to have results, right, you need to make some kind of investment, either in time or money. Now you can avoid avoidable mistakes, but having someone who already been through that steps, like you are trying to do it right now as a beginner, as a newbie, as someone who genuinely want to make money online, right? So it would really help if you have someone to show you the way, exactly how you can make money online as a beginner with, let's say, clickbank affiliate marketing, right? Promoting other people's products online. So if you want to know exactly how to do it, how to get done for your affiliate website, correct white hat compliant landing pages that are not going to get you shut down in the long run, right? And how you can make those $100 to $500 per day commissions, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts. We can connect personally one-on-one, and you can please subscribe to my channel so you can get more supportive tips. And again, this is not a free support, this is not a free mentorship, but you have to be willing to invest. You always invest, right? People who invest in time, they struggle, and people who want to pay a little bit more money to get support, to get exactly what's working, right, are going to get further far more faster than someone who does not want to invest in themselves, right? You have to invest in you if you want to have results, right? For example, Michael Jordan, he would not be the best basketball player if he had not had someone to mentorship him, right, to coach him every single day. So you have to understand, right? Yeah, there is some kind of money investment involved, and also not only financial investment, but a little bit of time investment, right, when you have someone to help you along the way. So if you want to have results, please subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links where we can connect and you can get those affiliate results faster. So again, thank you for watching this video.